Now somebody want to tell me the one spot I picked to put my fence post. Let's see, I got it coming from down there. Way down there, straight down this line. One of the corner posts here. We're heading up that way. The one spot I picked. Look at that rock. I mean, no wonder I kept breaking my auger. It's gotta be 2 or 3 feet across. Oh, and I ain't picking that thing up. Yeah. That thing's huge. What are the freaking odds of this? Well, out here, got a lot of rock out here. But still, wasn't that big. Take it up where I was putting the corner post and the brace post. Ridiculous. So hopefully, now I got this out here, get this damn thing out of the way. And I'm just gonna trench out the rest of my corner post and set them in concrete. Say hell with it and be done with it. But yeah, we're gonna get that out. I'm gonna try to weigh it. I bet you I can get my tractor down here. I wonder how much that thing weighs. But at least we got a cool new rock. Later.